Hi everybody, I'm Florida Trailblazer, exploring the history and wilderness of Florida. Today I'm out here roaming these woods of the Withlacoochee State Forest. Really enjoying the nature out here. It's so lush and green. Hiking through some of these cypress swamps. It's a little wet out here today. Had some rain recently. But nothing that's gonna keep me from coming out and exploring this beautiful place. Some beautiful cypress swamps back here. I'm out here exploring along this abandoned road. And this is interesting. At one time, this was one of the main highways in the area during the early to mid 1900s. This is an old fence post out here. You can see part of the road there. Wow, this is really interesting. Made it to this area where an old bridge used to be. This is part of it here. And vehicles would travel over this at one time. I like exploring in the woods and found this abandoned railroad line here. It was used during the early 1900s by the logging turpentine industries out here at one time. I really enjoy exploring along these old railroad lines. You never know what kind of history you may come across in these areas, and in a way for me it's like taking a journey back into the past when you exploring these places. Back to old Florida. And you can see where nature has reclaimed this whole area by the railroad line. A lot of cypress swamps on either side of me. So you can see right here where part of the railroad trestle used to be. See some pilings here. So the trestle would have crossed this area here.